Why don't we make this gorgeous roasted cabbage in the oven with a mustard vinaigrette? Easy, inexpensive, and beautiful. I have a head of purple cabbage in here, as you can see. I just cut it in wedges. I'm going to drizzle everything with olive oil. And some salt. I'm going to put these in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 degrees centigrade, for about 15 minutes. We'll bring them out, we'll flip them and finish cooking them, okay? I have a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of regular yellow mustard, and a teaspoon of honey in this jug. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use white vinegar or wine vinegar. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna start slowly adding about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm gonna whisk as I add. I'm gonna taste it and yum. This has a strong mustard flavor, which I love. If you don't like, really strong mustard, add a little more honey, okay? All right, these roasted for about 15 minutes. I'm just gonna flip them over. I don't know if you can see it, but it's browned on that side mostly. Now we're gonna brown the other bottom. We're going to put these back in the oven for another 15-20 minutes until it's all nicely roasted. So these are done. 20 more minutes, and look, they are nicely roasted. They look like sapphires. Let's drizzle some of our vinaigrette on here. And we have a fantastic, inexpensive, beautiful side dish. Let's taste this. Cabbage is nicely cooked. My knife is going right through. Oh, yes, my mouth is happy. That is really good.